What's up, Coffee Buddies? My name is Nelson Malisas, your Uncle Home Barista, and welcome to Kapit Katas channel. On my previous video, pinakita ko yung Time More Really 01S unboxing. We will do a review for that grinder after using it. Maybe after a month of using it. It's still good. It's really good. Anyway, so this is my old grinder, fellow Opus. Don't get me wrong, this is still working, but I decided to stop using it kasi it no longer grinds as good as before, or it no longer grinds well. It's just stop grinding. Okay, if meron akong 2 shots of espresso, so 18 grams of coffee nilagay ko, maybe around 5 grams on lang yung mag-grind niya, and the rest of the beans get stuck inside. And I find na yung conical burr niya is smooth na, so that's the reason why. Okay, if you are a fellow Opus user na within warranty pa yung product nyo, or yung product na yung machine nyo, you guys better check conical burr niya if it's still good. Okay, so if you are like me, okay, so I'm pretty sure na lahat tayo do the maintenance, cleaning all the same way. Okay, so demo ko na lang. Okay, so what we do first is we remove this this forgot anong tawag dito. Okay, saan nalalaglag yung beans. Okay, may mga beans pa, may mga grinds pa na nahulog. Okay, so after tanggalin yan, okay, we remove this hopper. Ooh, okay, we remove this. And then, kahit na nakasaksak pa siya, hindi na siya gagana kasi tanggal na to. It's one of the safety features. Okay, so the next thing is luluwagan mo muna siya before you can remove this guy. Okay, and then you'll do the brushing, right? You will do the brushing of inside this one, and okay, inside this area. Okay, so now after you do the cleaning, next is babalik mo na siya, right? Hindi mo sasabunin yan. Yung iba tinatanggal pa to, itong conical burr. Of course, you can do that. It's a bit harder kasi you need tools for that, pero if you just do a weekly cleanup, most likely ito na lang yung tinatanggal. Okay, then after you remove all that, okay, binabalik na natin, di ba? Okay, and then do our calibration ng beans, and we're done. Okay, but if you are still under warranty, I need you guys to do this. Okay. Okay. Tatanggalin ko yung nasa loob. Tatanggalin ko to. Okay. It's a simple work that you guys anyone can do. Okay. So now, done. Remove. Okay. So now, pwede mo na siya ibalik. Okay, so pag-expose na yung tanggal nitong cup, okay, so expose na yung conical burr natin, and then pag pinaikot mo siya, makikita mo siya. What do you observe? There's a burr niya. Yeah? There goes. So what did you guys observe? Nakita nyo ba yung conical burr is medyo nagwiwiggle na siya? That's how I observe it. I'm not sure if it's normal, but I don't think it should be. If this one and your burr is grinding, so pwede siyang tumama doon sa paligid and causing the faster wear and tear ng ating conical burr. So you guys need to observe that when you are cleaning your fellow Opus. And I think if you have any other grinder, you should do the same. Another thing is, for health concern, we don't want to mix any metal in our coffee grinds, di ba? Medyo nakakatakot. But I'm pretty sure hindi naman siya tutulo kasi sobrang siksik yung coffee. But still, we cannot tell kung saan mapunta yung metal part ng conical burr. So that's the reason why I stopped using this machine. For health reason, and another thing is kasi it's no longer under warranty and ayoko nang i-repair. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Click that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And I hope this helps in some ways. Alright, thank you again and see you on the next video. Bye!